Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Babula, the explanation of la. La in Arabic you can call with la, but in English maybe la it's same with nihilism, right? So babula, in other words, it's same or it's mean as if like nihilism explanation, right? So what the meaning of la, and also what is the definition of la, and also classification and the example from the sentence of la, we will be discussing, and also we will be learning, sharing also all of them together in this opportunity. So let's get started. Babula, the explanation of la or nihilism explanations. I'lam anna la tansibun nakirati bi ghairi tanwinin ila akhirih. I'lam, you have to know, anna la, indeed that la. I'lam, you have to know, anna la, indeed that la. This is actually the sentence anna la. This is actually indicate to the rule of la, right? Or SOP from la. SOP can mean standard operating of la. How la is working. This is actually like that. So the rule of la is like the following sentence after this. So what is that? La tansibun nakirati bi ghairi tanwinin ila akhirih. La tansibun nakirati will be positioning every single general words, right? Positioning in where? Positioning exactly in a subcondition, right? Bi ghairi tanwinin, without using tanwin as a sign. Tanwin can means sign in Arabic letters, right? When idha basharat, when la gets into the isim nakirah, or when la gets into the general nouns, gets in directly, exactly, right? Walam tatakarror, and there is no repetition in this sentence, right? So the rule number one is la will be positioning every single general of nouns without using tanwin, right? When la, or if la is gets in directly in the nasab, in the when la is getting directly in the general noun and there is no repetition from la. So just for make you easier for understanding this sentence, I'll give you the example. Nahwu, the example. This is actually the example, right? Nahwu, the example. La rojula fitari. La rojula, there is no boy. Fitari, in this home. So you have to just focus on rojula words. Rojula words is not called with rojulan, but rojula. This is actually indicate that la using fathah, not tanwin, like the rule before. Bi ghairi tanwinin la rojula, right? Fitari, la rojula fitari. This is the example number one. And then the next, fa in lam tubashirha wajaba arraf'u wa wajaba tikrarula. This is actually rule number two. Fa in lam tubashir, and when the la is not getting in directly, when the la is not getting in directly. So what is the rule when la is not getting in directly with the general noun? So the rule is like this. Wajaba arraf'u wa wajaba tikrarula. So wajaba is obligated. What is obligated? Arraf'u, positioning in rafa condition. Wa wajaba, and also obligated. Tikrarula, the repetition of la. The example, nahwu, the example, la fitari rojulun wala imro'atun. This is actually the second example from the second rule from la. La fitari rojulun, la fitari rojulun wala imro'atun. The meaning of this sentence is la fitari rojulun, there is no boy in this home, wala imro'atun, and also there is no girl in this home. And then the next, fa'in takarrorot, when so what will be happening when the la is repeated, right? So the only one that will be happening is like this. Fa'in takarrorot, and when la is repeated, so the rule is jaza is permittable for what? I'maluha, functionality of la. And the secondly, permittable too for wa ilghuha, and also permittable for this functionality of la. Fa'in sita, and when you want, kulta, you can say la rojula fitari, right? Wala imro'ata fitari too. So in this rule, actually the rule number 3, right? The example from the rule number 3 is la rojula fitari wala imro'ata. La rojula, the meaning of the sentence is there is no boy and also there is no girl in this home. And also the second rule, wa in syi'ta, and also when you want, kulta, you can say to la rojulun fitari wala imro'atun. So actually just only for rule number 2, you have 2 options, right, for reading or for knowing how you can using tanwin or not in the sentence of la. The first is la rojula fitari wala imro'ata. This is actually la is tikrorula at without using tanwin as a harokat. But the secondly of the example, la rojulun fitari wala imro'atun, is using tanwin as a sign in this sentence. Exactly, rojulun, and also automatically you have to be positioning isim nakiro as a isim from la in rofa conditions in this sentence exactly. Babul munada, wallahu alam bisawab.